Everyone for Egan and SMTVGH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away, a shame
thing that has happened. No, this is not the first time that such a thing is happening, especially with this particular person in question. So then, the relevant question we have to ask ourselves is say, buapayo ena washeda na oye. And I said, what might be his motivating factor? Do you get my point? Because
Yeah.
even 2020 election, I can confidently tell you, say, this same man, when you come to Western region, I'm from Western region, so I can speak for ourselves. Western region, Galamsey area say you lose seats. He was under it. Most of them. He was part of the people who sabotaged most of the MPs around Pristia Huni Valley area. So even after that, the crown 2020 election, you lose most seats crown. Nanado still, you were still on those boards near there, no. And see, if there is anyone who has benefited from this party now, who NSAC, I will say, you were not part of whatever happened. The GMPC and who ban seminar, were you not the board then they not the who be GMPC not on that board so. Oh, so all these things, no. Previously, people were attacking you for your words and all that. We know that you were doing that because of the party. What I say. We gave you the grace. The party gave you the grace. So, a party politics, anything can happen anyways. But you're going internal election every. You mount your boys, and then they are from NDC, which we obviously know. They are not even polling station executives. They are nothing. They hold no votes. And you know, who say you are an agent of mass distraction. He is. Because tell me, make it make sense. Say, boys, I know mudu wechi na. I'm not even sure. Say 1/3 of them were delegates. And you know, it was a planned agenda. Say at the end, your mother they knew that they will not win, but yen win. As I say, at the end, ye, but a beko good, yen a beko kwana na say no. And then, unfortunately for them, doctor won. And to see, and I say, and no, and you, and on more day, and your moye no. With the notion saying, Ghana for some pecan. Ghana for no pecan. Pull Ben and Makwaye Mamus a Ghana for the same pecan. You know this person's track record said, Musubo must say, near Kofaken ba. Now, on one case, and I don't know, I think they were downplaying Ghanaians or whatever. And even now, my question is, Sesiano or Bufono Mafano, are they angry at the delegates who went to vote for Dr. Baumia? And I say, they are angry at who? Because I can't really figure out what their anger is all about. Maybe as a bet me at because I can't really point my hand at particular reasoning to your say ya twaba and kwamamu. All because you people downplayed Brian Achampong. They never expected say Brian Achampong bet me have more where you shake up be say. It has happened. A trim election a choir, a kind of about what's nephew dean. Also one more can what's nephew dean. You move on. You are too grown for this pettiness. What do I say? I mean, I'm currently in the UK, yeah? The political system here, no, is very messy, but they do it very subtle. Say, even so one kasa will be on the party against you at home, bra, you would never know. Ube one were deflected. Ding, yes, were deflected. In the past 1 month, the previous administration of Motina so 14 years now. About 10 of their former MPs and ministers deflected by the Reform UK. Quietly, they did it. Not necessary to go about attacking people, but doing that. It's not necessary. We've gone too far in this political space. I think that these things are pettiness, and then they are bound on jealousy. They are bound on bitterness. Oh, but this time around, Muamukasa Dr. Baumia Tieno. I know that some of these people watch out. We are not going to condone their last 4 years or 3 years or no deliberation. Whoever wants to go should go. Whoever wants to stay should stay. Now, if they don't know, they should go and read the 1998 after Congress MPP call. They should. It was even worse than this. It was worse than. They should go and read it. No, go read it. What happened in NDC after the 2000 election? You better someone money. The shake up that happened into way is not new. There's nothing new under the sun, and there will be nothing new under the sun after these elections. And the earlier they wake up, the better for them. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that excellent communication.
Say, no so difa ko to kin anim. Say kin. Onkofo bi yesi. Nti fra omo na no omo nkasa. So what I say, dan say ukotie na wo ba ha na wo beka. Me hu say hu hia. And now say okọ the platform so na wo akanta na enhu hia. Nti ye na mo na ese mo report omo mpanyimfo. Mpanyimfo say na bi mo ye. Nti mo sro mo hu kin. Na ken so e de nkasa nkyira nkofo no na omo nya de omo ye. Na say ken na no tuma. Ken 2028 wantimi nkasa. Wantimi nya campaign ma ken. So say they make what you say.
Yeah.
So nti say mo report ma mpanyimfo so ne ken ehu ken na ken omo ne ken ekasa na ken so ene esa nkofo omo ye say ye nyina ma ken omo kasa ati so mbejai so ati say omo bejai ti mesere mo mo so we so ade ye de soma mo kakra ti na mo so ma di hu dwuma amaye why
we di mpanyimfo na kasa omutie omunim de ekwosi ne tambia yes platform na mo menye se mpanyimfo ni follow pa.
Oh, minim so mo follow but sa nkofo no mo ye sa adwuma di na makina omo wase na making so mo no potuma wo mo mo no potuma mo ne ken empanyimfo no ene ken kasa say nkofo bi di dwuma bi sei etia party no ndo no mo kasa what I say ndo mo ken no ebam na so fresh nkofo we nyina that in some mo kan nyina no be jai so what I say dan say o ba kwatie no be kan ha and na so be kwa platform so na bi akodi di na tema na so akokanta wo mo still no o hye na bufu. What I say, and Messer Kuyafo, even a Kuyani Dignaso. NDC for a more year campaign. You were Mahama so but to go I'm a woman. I think, say, Omunti Mekancha say, a drama so a boa de at Yabafom. And I say, a drama so boy Akosro. I think, say, you were Mahama, and you're the first time or the Babemuni. I took force and you're the first time about Abemuni. Sami Jamfi, you're the first time about Abemuni. And painful with the NDC for NDC change na and no first time omda abamuni omuni say cocoa price e kwosoro na abafom e kwosoro na abafom nti enne cocoa price abafom a adenti na obeka sa asema eche akuafo say there be cocoa price abafom dey say yetimu pay so and I say one bag bi edema bi say yete so nti mesra akuafo say ebufu na ashomu no mabufu ni nkoso anshomu because NDC for munim papa any bone omunim say where price kosoro na where price na tia bafom omunim all this nyina nya mu first time omudi ba abamuni ene nya omu first time ye di koko aden dwuma di e show mensa omunim say koko na tie basoro na abafom ekosoro na abafom omunim we nyina ndu meka nchiro omu say koko no bu na abafom tino one bag bi edem obi ye 1000 every so. So what I say, enti kokofo no, koko akuafo no. Omo nyi sa na da we any entro we enyi omo nyi sa se we de enyi ni. Omo nkoso a na abufu enhye omo entia NDC fo because eye boapaye ene ni da ho ene omo fa so ate price ne so. Se be ya omo so ombenya bi adi. Se be ya omo so benya bi adi. Na sebe se wo de wo so wote so kra solution. Wo de na ade to so no. Wodi na wodi toss no nka tie no free so nka na for de na wodi ma wo no 3001 nka sa nka no de nka fama akuafo what I say no anya bibia ma wase ya wo ja so sa ko bono kro no de me ka che akuafo say NDC fo enyo mo first time de ba abaminu o ma ba ba mu a ebepim ne enti no omo nyi ntumi say word price na word market and price na aba form omunim ni nyina ndo ma sheda pa no mate cocoa price ni so reshi me das
yo nana safu me das se wa bono gab yankwe senior man
that's
senior man
ma men draw me nua be man nana safu adwumra bibi so
yeah yetie pa gab
enyoma na ekoso wo omo platform ne so no die ntia yebu bi no de ba ahanomo ebe ka emie nyina ye ya we no I can state it without fear and favor say Ken any movie me mamo example recently ya okoye ni meeting me say ye the platform this one that you ba omunim Ekache ne nkrofo no koshom ne se ne nkrofo ni bi no mo form no a petition ma ne se onko independent ba onyamfa sa adwen no inti se ye jaha ka se onim de boys no eye wo form no na ni ye ni no kra ma ye ho. Secondly, say ye ka se omo ye adwuma ma NDC a 100% no kra 100% no kra because ene uko platform nso bi no a ade a esi between Otibonsu whatever concerning the building na ye wo hu document a ye prove actual mo say Semira Bawumia enim ho hwe no these people are still peddling this falsehood. Inti say ye din e ka say se omo ka bibi ye mfi omo ka solution ye ti ha say ina NDC for ebe ka che say Haptel Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia.
Yeah, it's true.
Ina NDC for be ka che say Dr. Bawumia twanto Bawulaya.
Yeah.
And then I can go join campaign or kai. Recently, one could say before they got trouble, one could say Bawumia trouble.
Okay.
Meaning says Papa will say no on any chronics, no, they are working for NDC. In this year, one can be eton from a that's your bambe banta. Now, Koban say, yes, I say no, say ye no crena, you casem be near the no creno. On the baby can say, oh, dear boy snake cannot cry. It's answer response beyond my internet. No cray. What you say? No cray. It is a young common platform so I fro near making sure they a bantom with no crano.
You come fire. I'm say there, young cocas, a bit due my term to fire.
Me them obit a phobia member say. You call the platform so me and a man requested. Because I'm requesting us for family, only send me mean dinner temo, but no clearing the mecca, because only be guy free bar. In a ye movie, no see a cassibe, and I'm called Ken 2028. My catch as a Ken, me, unim Kennedy in general, me met me destroy Kennedy Japan, met me destroy one time. Because ye movie no, before said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the balam light in the Mukrano. Yen your corner was enka, on me, so be kaya, the video be babon, so be say. Me blue be ban in chance on president catch on say be president I go chop yen your corner many fellas appear yen your corner or your competition o catch yen corner in business na all ye inti ye mu be nim can from scratch o inti o
now obi ti say o
exactly
obi ti say o gab obi ti say Mr. Felix appear na adwen mu do ane omu nyina ye campaign e de ama Dr. Bawumia e just among the Dr. Bawumia
busa sa question no solution me so uria on wo de hit no back door memma videos bu be bawo nu maka ana memma evidence bu be bawo nu maka say inti ken yes ade we say nyina ye mu bi me man de kasa keke we know what we talking about. Na so I imagine say be destroy doctor ye mu bi ne be ma ken ye be ma na stroke me do nyankopon ye no ya been say ye focus on doctor campaign so ye turn the obetimi aye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia about the political lens you know everything in Ghana is being done equally now be a baby ano ye new way sin chance as soon as the ufri ha and I say obenti ufri anti ye mfa won ka ho for all you could know, maybe the ideas that the man is bringing is going to benefit you supporting that man that you want to bring into. Abua papu no ni ken camp. Abua papu kwasia no ni ken camp. Ye to abawi en kwasia sembe no na ma oka. En kwasia sembe no inti omo no na omo tare ken no. Omo nim ken che wo na wo te platform so na wudin kwasia no. Omega bo.
Kwame Ansamu nyina ba owase otie no wakoka
no wo ho eno ba omo ba obi ti say boy ba ku yo kan Omega wo UK oh ref ni din first time oba me platform ase oba no be comment
I practice na bento ya
David hwe kwase din bi zo omo use David onu de onu de oye like oye wo kakra ba ku kra so America omo ba me platform so
David ba ku bi na ni hanom na pakakra bi kokko bi mehunu
ena ba ku bi so ena ba ku
bi se da nim ni din no
ena ba ku bi so ase ne sin ejira omu kakra me so omunya ba me platform so ba yenum no ye mo ti ase se yen ni obi abetimi di sika apasuedi yen o da bi yen ya ye to ye data ne de support me baby am won me nhwe se doctor amra na me kwaji position bia o ba me pese doctor ba na akola no wo Ghana no ne ho to no ye mu se ye ho se e den na BEC for nkwala na ayenti ene ya to omo registration fee by 20%. That is the thing we need to focus on.
President Mama skabeble ya wonya wo abrabom Ghana politics mu no ultimate class askani mom se na nadu danko akufu adubai otu afi 2017 na bepem 2024 official free
enu na wose nkene nke yegina platform so na nke kan wasem de banka
Munko chado President Mama ni fie e dan kura more than 500 enegu 1 yard mu dan kura more than 500
that media
chairman
that media ala sana me twa mo platform ase what you asema no omo say omo no omo de omo person omo yare say omo be yesa na yen ya ba be kan yen ya ba be kanta omo yen ya ba be kanta omo na chese ye ja ba ne nsem na ye ka no
diverse attention
omo kan no ma me say ye
me you
can because of ebi a obefo aba na akoye jejejeje o no akoso from now the day ya only this guy
ye na se ne be ya ye nya time enton doctor ba solution edum sendra wutie comment na me ye o me plan me catch am say right now na ya to aba na wie ne de ade betimi a divert attention and so be president Kufuor asa apart from nobody on social media can banter us apart from no inti omu yodo no omu yen de yen ti you and fire ho because nsem na mo be kan mo kan yen banta mo the documents any evidence ebeba be prove mo wrong ni e make sure say ya sem no ebedru Ghana ni no wo form ho no ebedru no ho no hey as to what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aka twam as to no ni nyina twam ye say ofiachi enya abofo no ofiachi enya abofo no Samuni particularly me campaign ti a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia esa ko ja campaign so e ko born nse ma ne say o tan okodu anu ayi ni nka dia wo na wo je campaign ama no ni hu ne say adwini uti
ga woni da ho
intimi no ho time ene na make am solution ye bu adwuma ye nkoso nye mu adwuma ye nkoso nye mu adwuma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia oba minu mienu no e bia na benefit aye penu enye kakraka bia o enso solution me catch you say ene a wotie ya wase wo time a wotie wo fase bi nti na wo ko wo fase bi nti o
me wo ba first one ye be wo
exactly enye wo interest
ye be wo ba ko ye be wo more
but ken nkofo they are fighting for their own interest ba ye ma sa de no succeed ye be koso aye adwuma to say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba be president nti omo ye mo nhye omo say nipa na mo tag ne say oye krebu no ese no akanfo na support no 100% nti mo ye mo nhye mo munsue nyansa mu nipa na mo pese mo de ne ba no obetwa entobe na wo ntwa obeka che say wakofor da university ye koye investigation for da university after they say wankwana say wa mama menwie na den me say omo de so mo pese e ko dirty a e be ko dirty ti say me e ka kire omo primaries no aye kan o man jendi no tan ye be ko no ye be kire omo say ye mu bi no boy bi ti platform here ono no o ma doctor lusu social media na to aba o ma no lusu social media na form on no dey na si wo
na o MPP ni o kasa asem no
forget no
o MPP ni
te omo penny no obi a odwene ko eyi a onkan so omo di na chi ye no can no vote no can eduru si ya to prime minister ba no mu ni ho me so make aso omo ko survey no ma present am
omo okra nko mbeto ama ga Yewura Bawumia
me say omega say okoye survey onkoye no mfa omoye
gab wonim de enti amenya ai like menya ni daso wo hwe 2023 yekọ internal primaries constituencies bebre wa kra ne baby Dr. Bawumia wini we know Dr. Bawumia winning, which means say in Kabum na start if you down.
Mema one particular place, Bosome Freho. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lose totally. But this time around, I say, almost 70% or into nothing can break us. Nothing can break us. Ghana, you know, after na who and your man, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can't afford the banner. After no a song for because I don't Mahama Bekacha will say, Pedita, open document in Chinam. That's it. On one side, to fight corruption, we need digitalization. Yeah, I also say the man has something good. The man has that sense. The man has that caliber to lead the country called Ghana into success, and that is why we are bringing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. May the manuals.
Senior man, yeah, that's it.
Senior man, no.
Yeah, that's it. So